This might be bad. Ooh, how pretty! Look at how pretty! These are pretty ones.
I like that one. What's that, a Jack in the Box?
No, that's a fountain.
Yeah!
Destiny,
Where?
hold that one.
Okay.
You can't hold it up high. You hold it right there. Get away from everybody. Come on, Rainy. Get out in the yard. Go into the yard.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Come on.
What?
Come here. You guys want to play with the sparklers? Come here.
Okay.
Sweetie, look at this.
Give me your own. Give me your own.
Short-lived.
Give me
Stand out in the yard and do it.
Give me your own. Give me your own. Just taste it. TSPS.
Go on. Go play out in the yard with it. This way.
Yeah.
This way. Come on.
Grandma's got
Those
Yay!
things.
Daniel,
Yeah.
do you have a lighter for tonight? My red one came up missing.
Sparkler.
That's all it did.
No, it's supposed to go pop, pop, pop.
That's lame.
That's an epic fail on the ground, bloom flowers.
Mina actually got off the couch to look at that.
Yes.
There you go.
Do you have your lunch put together, Daniel? What's that, girls? I like that one. That one's neat. What was that one called?
Looks like some spinning flowers jumped out of it.
Yeah.
She's scared.
Is she really?
Yes.
Oh, you're scared?
Goodness, darling.
You're so scared.
Are you going to take Daniel to work? Oh, okay.
Jessica knows where it's at, not me.
Right past some point.
This one just pops, you guys.
This is the one
I got
that's
There's a
scared.
reason why I have Jessica.
It pops.
She can run
Graham or Graham Pinelli.
Yay!